Hey everybody, HVAC repair guy here. I have spent over 17 years in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor, along with a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are looking at two central air conditioning options to help you decide what makes the most sense for your home. The Maytag PSA4BF and the Della ducted central AC17 SEER2. Starting with cabinet construction and build quality, the Maytag PSA4BF features a louvered coil guard that protects the condenser fins from hail and yard debris while keeping operational noise at 70 decibels. The Della unit utilizes slotted panels to protect the outer coils, comes equipped with a compressor blanket, and runs quieter at 58 decibels. Looking at performance, efficiency is where the numbers diverge, with Maytag at 15.2 SEER and Della at 17.0 SEER2. The Maytag 15.2 SEER delivers solid baseline seasonal energy efficiency for standard residential cooling. The Della 17.0 SEER2 offers higher seasonal energy savings and lower electrical draw during hot summer months. When you look at compressor and fan technology, both units utilize a 2-speed compressor paired with a 2-speed condenser fan motor. Neither unit uses full variable speed inverter technology, but 2-stage operation lets both systems run at lower capacity on mild days for better humidity control and balanced airflow. Regarding manufacturing and ownership, Maytag HVAC equipment is manufactured under license by Nortec Global HVAC, which was acquired by Rheem Manufacturing in late 2024. The Della 17 SEER2 system is manufactured in China. When looking strictly at equipment costs online, the Della Complete system typically sells for around $2,100 to $2,700 depending on tonnage. The Maytag PSA4BF outdoor condenser alone generally lists online between $2,200 and $4,600 depending on tonnage and retail source. Warranty coverage shows a significant contrast, with Maytag offering a 12-year general parts warranty, a 12-year compressor warranty, and a 12-year unit replacement warranty if the compressor fails. Della provides a 1-year general parts warranty and a 1-year compressor warranty with no unit replacement warranty offered. My recommendation comes down to overall durability and long-term protection. The clear winner is the Maytag PSA4BF. While Della gives you higher efficiency and quieter sound levels out of the box, Maytag's build quality, domestic support under Rheem, and 12-year unit replacement warranty offer peace of mind that outweighs a short 1-year warranty.